Hi everybody, I'm making a really short video today, just testing out my new situation. I've changed my room around a little bit, trying to clean it up. And pretty soon I'm going to have a full background back. I'm trying to situate my cam. It has to be a little distance because otherwise I'm like right on top of it. So I still have to make a new full welcome, and the reason why I haven't yet is I have a few changes I'm going to make to me. So what I'm probably going to do is dye my hair back to brown. Yeah, I know. It's just a thing to give my hair a break. That's why you see my roots, and my hair is brown underneath it all, if you can see. I don't really, when I dye my hair, I don't dye all of it. So I keep it that way because I tend to go back and forth. So I like to give my hair a break every 5 to 8 years, sometimes 10 years. But I've been blonde for about 15 years now. So I'm going to go back to brown next month, and then I'll make my new welcome. It's fall, but you know, you never know. I might go back to blonde again. I always do it every now and then, so remember to watch out for that video. I'll do my new welcome. My full background will be up. So I can't believe summer's over. And I just wanted to come on here really quick and say hello and tell you I will have a new welcome for fall, but it will be a little late. Waiting for some of my hair to grow out a little, and then I will do that. So, other than that, there's been not much new, just a lot of reviews coming out. I have a product review from BB Crafts coming, so I hope you look out for that if that's out before I upload this. I've been quite busy doing fall crafts and other things, and I have more paranormal vlogs coming up. So I just wanted to give a quick hello. And I also found a little kitten. I found this little kitten out one night, and I'll tell you a story about that. But right now, I just wanted to test my can. So, yes, Magic. Good morning. This is the morning. It's about 8 o'clock. See how the sun comes through the trees. I don't know if you can hear all the nature. I live next to the woods. Yes, my lawn is overgrown. My sister lives next door. And there's Magic. Good morning, Magic. Look how beautiful you look. Yeah, you listening to the squirrels? They're probably up on the tree. They had their nuts and they were eating it. Listen. See all the sun. Thunderstorm. It's very hot. Oh no, my sister's umbrella is gonna go toppling. I don't know what to do about that. She lives next door. I don't know where Magic went.
All it does is do
Uh-huh.
the squiggles a little bit.
This is the backyard. Magic was right here. I don't know where he went. So, it's a beautiful day outside, but it's dark in here. The sun just went in. Here is, I'm getting ready for fall. My sister gave me these cupcakes. They light up, and the batteries last forever. I put a battery like maybe a month and a half to 2 months ago. I have all my fall plates and cups. I'm going to have more out. My glass pumpkin. If you peek through here, I have my fountain. I cleaned it. So for dinner we're having bow tie pasta with white sauce. Whoops, I got a little foamy. Go like that. Sorry about that. Hold on. Voila. Magic is laying out here. He's tired. It looks very empty because I put the swing out front for the fall because I like to sit out front in the fall, and lots of acorns fall from this tree, and I was getting tired of cleaning it off, and it's going to get worse, so I put it in the front. I cleaned the patio off yesterday, but we got a bad windstorm, so the chair that he used to sit on here broke. I was cleaning it and it dry rotted. It's been beautiful out. I would go out, but I don't want to disturb him. So I'm gonna try to sneak out and then get back in because I'm cooking. Our grass is overgrown and we have the lawn guy coming Friday. So here's the swing, and my brother-in-law got me that pillow, and I'm gonna put 2 pumpkins over there. My sister gave me those stepping stones. This is going to, I got washed yesterday, and I'm gonna put Halloween stuff on it. After the guy does the lawn. Here's Rudy taking a cat nap. I've been dying to decorate, but didn't do it because I got to take my totes out and put them in here. So this is the vanity my sister gave me. Comes with a mirror, but I won't be using it. It opens up, but it's like a cherry wood, and it has a nice bench, and I sanded it, and I'm going to paint it black. It was a very expensive, and I just don't like cherry wood. It reminds me of old lady type furniture. So it's going to be painted black. This is the junk room. I'm still using the cat mats. There's a small one and a large one from Warturi or Warturi. And if you haven't seen those reviews for them, go check it out. They work excellent. I love them. Okay. So that's really it. I'm going to get more into fall stuff. So get ready for we'll get ready because pretty soon, oh, this is what my sister gave me. It's a cat tree with put a candle and I put a wax melt. I'm going to be doing more paranormal vlogs, so get ready for them, and some just autumn vlogs on my regular vlog. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I would be doing more, but my cats didn't give me the opportunity because Magic won't move. I tried to grab him. I'm trying to get him in the house before it gets cool. And it doesn't get that cold because I live in southern Alabama, but we do have change of seasons and it can get pretty cold. And I want him in before then. Hi, Match. is Magic. He's in the house. Hello, Match. Come on. There he is. He's all ready. And he's purring, right? Oh, good boy. I miss you. I'll bring you more food later. He's a good boy. He likes it better when the door's shut. Oh, don't go back in that spot. That's boring. Don't you want to hang out with me? He was a little more playful with me yesterday, and he climbed on me and was purring, and then we had a thunderstorm at night, so I came in here. Every time it got too loud, I'd sit with him for 20 minutes or so until it passed. Then all of a sudden another big one, so I'd have to come in. But other than that, he's okay. He's been going to the bathroom, eating and drinking. We had to move the cat trees around. This cat tree normally goes in the corner, and the other cat tree's out in the living room, which is kind of cumbersome and in the way, but we did that for Salem and Broody Zoo because they can't get into their room. Okay. So I finally got my room ready for fall. I got my vanity from my sister. She gave me her old one and I painted it black and put the full marble just like this. So I moved this, which was my buffet, and I was using that as my vanity, so it was crowded. So here it is. It's ready for fall. And my sister's husband, my brother-in-law, got me that. It's actually to go on my outside swing because my swing is black. And then I have all my little Halloweeny stuff, but that's a real crystal ball that I have right there. And so you'll see that in my videos, my background, without the totes. So you'll be seeing that. And my husband got me this for my birthday. It's the Sizzix Big Shot die cutting machine. He thought it came with die cuts, but it doesn't. So pretty soon, once we can get some, he's going to order me some die cuts. And you can make cards with this. It embosses, it make jewelry, earrings. There's no end to the things you can make. And I can't wait to get started. Here's the machine. I still have the tags. I got it yesterday for my birthday, and I still haven't had time to look through it and do things. So that's that because of Magic being in the house now. So I'll see you. I'll be making a new vlog soon, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.